So this is our roller team motorhome on a Fiat Ducato cab and chassis, and I was interested to see how the rear camera was wired into the monitor. So we just have one camera, it's this one up here, and basically it's the reversing camera which just points straight down, so you only really get to see 2 or 3 meters of the back just for reversing. But the monitor has feeds for 2 cameras. So, worked out where it was, terminated. So that camera, the wiring for that just runs all the way through here somewhere, I'm not too sure if it's top or bottom, and basically comes in and is ends up behind this part right here of the dash. This is our monitor, and it's got V1 and V2, so 2 camera channels, and the wiring for that just goes up behind here, behind this lining, runs across through here, down behind this pillar covering, through down behind the dash right here. So to get this off, it is 3 Torx screws, and there you go, just like that. One of them is just in here, the other one is, it's a bit bright, camera, but you can just see it, just sits in behind here. You take those 2 out and then just remove this whole bit here. I just grab it from here and give it a bit of a yank, and that just pulls right off. See? Pretty simple. And then to remove this bit, it's just another screw, another Torx screw. Comes out of here. Just take that out. I'll just give that a good pull. And there is all your wiring for the camera. So let's just pull this out and have a good look at it. So what we have here is our main wire to the monitor up here. Comes all the way down through there, and then it splits off. And that splits off down to this set of cables here, connectors here. So this is the yellow one here is the video connector, and the red one is the power connector that runs to the back camera. And that just comes through, and here is the wiring to the back camera. And that again just goes up through, I don't know where, but then runs down to the back. This little wee fuse connector set up here is for the power, and that just runs into this terminal here and into the red connector, runs all the way through. So this yellow video cable here is for the second camera, so there it is. So just to wire that in, you have to plug in your video side to that and run power to the second camera. You'd have to tap into your 12 volt connection here, and then the earth wire is just a negative wire. It's just terminated right there, so just need another connector there. So that's how it's all done. That's where it is.